Pilipino, magalang at maginoo. Alam ang po at opo, hindi matigas ang ulo. Ang batang Pilipino, mabait sa kalaro, mahusay makitungo, umiiwas sa gulo, makadiyos at makabayan, palaging maaasahan. Ang batang Pilipino, walang iba kundi ako. Jesus knows all the children. Jesus knows all children who live beneath the sun. He knows while they are thinking and loves them, everyone. Jesus knows all children and keeps them in His care. He listens while they are speaking and hears each loving prayer.